You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.